Hey there, everyone. Today we're going to check out a new concept. This is the Altitude series by Aspen View Homes. So, pocket homes, narrow lots. If you don't want yard care, this is a great option for you. There's a side yard over here. I'll get into a more detailed explanation of that once we get inside the property. But let's go check out this home. This is the Danner. It's going to be built on a crawl space, but if you want the basement, you can get it. There's the specs right there. And they've got two in the works. One with a basement that's unfinished, and that one will be $490 inside the Danner. This particular home is built on a finished basement, so you have the cost of approximately $490,000 and then add another $32,500. As I mentioned, this countertop is the only upgrade in here because this is quartz. The standard is granite. Refrigerator also is an upgrade. So corner style pantry. Half bath right here. Pedestal style sink. Oval mirror. We're going to go into the garage. This looks to the backyard where you see the alley load, they call it. Depending on where you build in this neighborhood, your front yard will face either a park or it will face a street. So the homes on this side over here are going to face this street. The homes over here are going to face that park. Let's go back inside the home. Let's talk about the property lines. So in this particular setup here, basically you're getting a side yard on one side and no yard on the other. It's a little more complicated than that, mostly due to city codes, but these pocket or alley style homes give you this side yard that's your own privacy. What will be replaced when this home is finished is this fence goes away, and that will just be a wall of another home. See how that home over there only has one window way at the top? That's how they give you privacy, because there won't be any windows over there for your neighbors to look down on your side yard. Again, this Danner floor plan has this nice living room. It has a true eat-in area as well as the island. Let's go upstairs. The way this home is set up, there are 4 beds total. There are 3 here. Has this nice concept. We've seen it at other homes recently, and I've commented about it. I'll bring it up again. You put a loft or a living room between the supporting bedrooms and the master, and it breaks it up. It's really quite nice. Upstairs laundry. Again, the same laminate floors. Formica countertops in the supporting baths. Tiled surround. Little linen closet right here behind this door. Pretty decent sized room, 11 by 12. Back up here in the corner, give you a better look. Check out this other bedroom. All the cool decorations in here. Back up and give you another look at this room. Let's go check out the master. There's a closet over there in the corner, great for storage. This is the master, really good sized room. Same nice flooring. Here we are in the bathroom. Three-quarter style. Nice shower with a shelf and then an enormous closet. I was joking with this with the builder rep, we could sublet your closet. It's enormous. And then behind this door is the hot seat through there. Pretty decent size master bedroom setup. Let's go check out the basement. All right, we're in the basement. Again, remember, it's a full basement setup where the builder can make it work. Sometimes basements are partial, sometimes they have cutouts. In this particular case, right behind this corner area is that patio that's upstairs, or the side patio. And then this space over here behind me, that is the front porch right there. So that's why you have these walls or bump outs in your basement. Nice supporting bath. Bedroom in here. 8-foot ceilings don't make it feel like a cave. Pretty decent sized bedroom. I'm gonna go with 14 by 11. Mechanicals. This is where all the fun happens, right? High efficiency furnace. Air conditioning is included. That's right, included. I did not stutter. Tankless water heater. No understair storage, just based on the way that the HVAC system is set up in here. But builder rep was saying that you could always get creative with this wall right here and figure something out if you really wanted that storage. So we just got done walking through the Danner by Aspen View Homes as part of their new Altitude collection. And what did you guys think? This home is geared towards the individual that does not want to deal with yard maintenance, full stop. That is the concept here. Think townhome without neighbors on your walls. Think patio homes without the very large monthly HOA. HOA payment in here is about $22. What is going on here in this concept? You have these narrow side yards. You have the space of a home kind of on a smaller lot. And if you're not concerned with the size of your yard being massive in the backyard and needing a space for a jungle gym set and a bouncy house or an auxiliary garage for your hobby car or something like that, you just want a house, then this concept is great. Aspen View Homes has been building this in other parts of Colorado Springs for a couple of years. I'm thinking of Spring Creek Traditionals, which is more in the south end of Colorado Springs, and then also up in the Nook, which is near Shiloh Mesa off of the corner of Woodman and Mark Scheffel. And these homes are really going to appear very efficient. It was the first word I thought of. The way that they've designed spaces, the way that they have brought about, all the amenities you'd want in a traditional setting of a home with a 8,000 square foot lot, they've packed it into this space here. So the most appealing part, obviously, is the price point. You're talking about a Danner floor plan, 2,100 square feet, starting off at about $480,000. When you jump to one with a basement that's unfinished, they're quoting a price of about $490,000. And I'll drop a little bit of a hint here. They do have smaller floor plans in this Altitude collection, and they're starting off around $430,000. Those videos will be coming later. So great price point, great builder, and a great location. So if you want to learn more, please reach out to me, and I look forward to speaking with you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.